Hey y'all, and welcome to my garage. I got something amazing for you, but first things first, check this out. Look at all these tools, taking up all that space. Do I really need all these? Do you really need all these? The answer is no. Why? Because I have this amazing new product. Check it out. This is the Maker Pro. Let me show you what's inside. All right, y'all, before I open this amazing product, look at this. All of those tools that you saw on that wall are inside this sleek, compact toolbox, believe it or not. And this is called the Maker Pro by Kikaito. So this right here is the main drill body, okay? And all of these attached to this main drill body. There are 17 tools in total that are available within this box. And over here we have the carpentry section and DIY section, right? So if you're a beginner carpenter or an advanced carpenter, you have almost everything you need over here. And if you've done DIY before, you know some of it's easy, but some of it's really hard. Over here we have our lawn and gardening section, all right? And that's just to help you take care of basic lawn and gardening needs. And finally, we have our garage section. So that's maintenance and taking care of your cars, your bicycles, et cetera, anything in a garage, basically this will cover, all right? All of this is included in this amazing toolbox, okay? It's compact, it's stylish, and it saves a lot of space, but not only that, think about how many thousands of dollars you're saving with Maker Pro. Now that we have unboxed everything, let's take a closer look. First things first, we have the drill body. Right here we have a 21 volts maximum and a brushless motor. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to lock in this dual lock mechanism. All right, we're gonna take the jigsaw right here. We are going to align this piece down here with this, like so. And we're going to go from the unlock position to the lock position. This jigsaw piece has a 12.7 millimeter cutting stroke. Accurate and concise for all of my DIY needs. Very smooth to take it out. Now we're going to go to the impact drill. We do the exact same thing. We lock it in, we go from unlock to lock, and here we are. This impact drill has 3,300 RPMs and 180 Newton meters of torque. More than enough power for what I need. The Maker Pro is amazing, and I see myself using it for a very, very long time. Things have never been more convenient and comfortable. Trust me on this, all right? You're saving money, you're saving time, and you're saving space with the Maker Pro, okay? It's compact, it's small enough to fit in your trunk, and trust me on this, all right? Doing your own DIY projects has never been more easy and more comfortable, all right? So get your Maker Pro now, and I know what a lot of you are thinking. I have a lot of tools, I already have enough, I don't need any more, but once you got it, you're gonna love it, all right? Get the Maker Pro, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.